Exercise starts. Aspects of the LFO rather than shelve them for another day. It will be wrong government not to accept that the opposition has a strong case which should be entertained. The opposition likewise must realize that the Prime Minister has limited room and his ability to make concession is restricted. In fact, it is not even clear how much freedom of action he has been given by the party. The killings on Friday coincided with present statement that what Pakistan faced today was an internal rather than external. Speaking at the annual dinner of the All Pakistan Textile Association in Islamabad, the president observed that religious and sectarian extremists could harm the country both internally and externally. Promising to root out terrorism, the president listed some of the agencies that are part of Pakistan security apparatus. These include an intelligence set up, a special operation task force on ground, and fully mobile and a quick reaction force to combat extremism. Impressive though it seems, these agencies have very little to show by way of success against sectarian terrorism. These agencies might have helped arrest militants and may be won from our foreign partner in the war on terror, but where the domestic brands of terrorism are concerned, these monopoly of law enforcement agencies seems virtually helpless. Terrorist group in Pakistan are well entrenched, a carryover of the recent history. They came into being in the 80s because of the United States backed jihad against him.